Hello everyone and welcome back to Gigi's Kitchen. Today we'll be sharing with you our own take on Dalgona coffee that has been trending for the last couple weeks. So to get started, our main ingredient today is instant coffee. We have half a cup here and it's also a medium blend. We also have a third cup of granulated sugar and a little pinch of kosher salt to bring the flavor out and a tiny pinch of cinnamon powder. And to mix everything together, we have half a cup of hot water where 2 anise seeds pods and a cinnamon stick have been soaking for the last 2 minutes to add this special warm flavor to our drink. Today we'll be using an electric hand mixer to make this whipped coffee, but it can also be done using a hand whisk. However, that will require some elbow grease and some extra time. And now we start mixing everything together until reaching a light colored frothy foam. And we'll know when to stop when we start seeing these stiff peaks of cream like the ones we get if we were making meringue. To serve this drink cold, you just need a glass of your favorite milk that you can add ice to if you'd prefer. And then you just add a big scoop of the cream on top of the milk, and you can get really creative with toppings here. Before getting to the hot version of this drink, we just wanted to show you how this whipped coffee keeps up in the freezer after a couple of days. It was just stored in an airtight container and it stays really light and velvety. Now we'll be adding a small scoop at first to the mug before pouring the hot milk on top of it, just to get that really nice color and flavor in the milk. And next we'll be adding another generous dollop to the hot milk and just give it a good whisk to get that really nice frothy texture on top. Now you can enjoy a really flavorful cappuccino without needing an espresso machine. If you liked today's video, please like and subscribe for more. Enjoy!